How to organize your planner. First, keeping your planner with you is going to help you stay consistent. The key to getting things done is to plan, and you need to plan a time to plan. Choose a time of day that you can sit down and review what needs to be done, and also to determine the things that need to be done on a regular basis. You need to create a system that works for you. Number 1 is a schedule. You can schedule your work, your kids' activities, appointments, special events. Having everything written down will make sure that you don't miss something or forget something that's super important. Number 2 is to personalize it and be creative. Use color coding to easily see at a glance what needs to be done. You can use stickers, you can write down your favorite quotes, or even use photos of family and friends inside your planner. Number 3 is keep a list. You can have a master list of long-term goals, a running to-do list, a cleaning list, a wish list, maybe a list of books and movies that you want to see, or even a bucket list of things that you want to do, or maybe even write down your favorite recipes. The next one is the brain dump. This is a single place where you can write down all of your thoughts. Being able to get everything out of your head and into your notes is going to help you remember and also helps you to clear your mind space so you can improve your focus and your concentration. It may even help to decrease your stress. Days, weeks, and months. A daily planner is a great way to plan your day, write down your routines or your meal plan for the day, or keep track of all the daily tasks that need to be done. A weekly page is great for a weekly to-do list and to be able to see your week at a glance. And monthly pages are a great place to store birthdays, anniversaries, and any appointments that you don't want to forget about. When you plan, you will start to see your progress and your productivity improve. And when your life changes, your plans can change. Above all, your planner should work for you.